Hisham. Come on, come on. Come on, yes. Good, Rania. Good, I like that turn. Come on, JJ. Good, I like that. See, JJ's got the best motion. Come on, guys. Rania, come on. Come on. Good. Abdul Jalil, no, that's a big one. You remember small touches? Small touches, Abdul Jalil, look. Yes. Come on, come with me. Look, you can also roll it. Hisham, you know the soul drags. Yeah? You know the soul drags. Come on. Come on, JJ. A little bit faster, JJ. Not too fast that you lose control. Just gently. He's jogging, yeah? Good, good control. Come on, Hisham. You can do soul drags as well, guys. Yeah? Use inside, outside foot. You can use both. Right, everyone inside the box now. We did outside box, now we're gonna play inside box. Okay, good. Can you do the taps for me, guys? Tap, 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 tap. Come on. Yes. Use your hand as a balance. Okay, a little bit faster because your heels should not touch the ground. Okay, look how fast I'm going. Can you see that? Yeah? Now we're gonna do something different, okay? You guys know L turns? Okay, Hisham, can you show me an L turn? Guys, watch, Hisham showing. Well done, Hisham. Can you show me an L turn, Rania? Well done. And then explosive, okay? And then after that, we're gonna add something different. Guys, I'm gonna show you. Look, step 1, L turn. Step 2, explosive. You see that? I'm inside the box. Can you see that, guys? I'm controlling. And then when you hear the whistle, turn, explosive. Okay? Good, explosive. Good, good. That's it. Run around, run around. Go around. Go, keep going around. Go. Watch it. Watch where you're going. L turn, explosive. Well done, Hisham. Well done, Abdul Jalil. Come on. Well done, Rania. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Well done. Come on. Good. Good. One more time. One more time. Come on, explosive. Where are you going, Hisham? Good. Good. Well done, JJ. Okay, everyone into me. Okay, do you know how the V looks like? The shape of the V? So all you're doing is you're dragging the ball and then you're taking it forward. That's it. Look, whistle. Wait, whistle. Okay, and then you do a V and then you continue dribbling. Okay? An L turn, a V. Yeah, and then go continue dribbling. Good. Good, come on. Inside the box, Hisham. Hisham, the box is big enough. Inside the box. You know why I'm saying inside the box? Because I'm teaching you guys control. Come on. What's wrong with you? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep repeating the same person's name. That means what? They're not performing well. Come on. You heard the whistle? Yes. And then a V. Yes. Now keep going. Good. Well done, JJ. Well done, Rania. Well done, Hisham. Yes. A jog. We're jogging, guys. Come on. L turn. L turn, ablative. Keep going around. Yeah, keep your head up. We don't want to see any accident. Good. Keep dribbling inside. Dribble, 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 dribble. You had the whistle. Good. Hisham lost. Guys, can you see that? Well done, everyone. Come inside, come inside. Come inside, well done. Okay. Guys, see that? Okay, put the cones back again. Good. How was that? It was fun, wasn't it? Again. Dribble, 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 everyone. Now you need to go different cone. You guys, you're not allowed to get the same cone. You have to get different cone. Okay, well done. Well done. Rania hasn't got a cone. Good. Okay, put the cones back. You're not allowed to get the same cone now. Go around. Go around. Go around. Keep going. Good. Abdul Jalil inside the box. Inside the box. Dribble, dribble. One thing I love about you guys, nobody's lost their ball. Have you seen the dragon kicking someone's ball? No, because you guys are doing fantastic. So for that reason, clap for yourself, guys. Well done. Good job. All right, carry on, carry on, carry on. go for the same cones. You need to go to different cones. Go around. Keep going. Inside the box, Hisham. Inside the box. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Get another one. Rania. There's that cone. Nobody's got that cone. I'm the Ginny, run. That cone. No one. Hey, I'm the Ginny. I'm the dragon. You left your ball. Actually lost it. Come inside, come inside. Well done. Well done, everyone. Guys, you ready? Okay, carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on. 2 more times. Carry on. Keep dribbling. Keep dribbling. You have to get a new cone now, yeah? A new cone. You're not allowed to go for the same cone. Keep dribbling. Hey! That's cheating. You're not allowed to use your hand. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. One last time, one last time. Come on. Come on, you guys are doing fantastic. Good. Good. Come on.